This video is actually a very old video that was uploaded a few years ago I was starting a channel with my good friend Eric, and life kind of gets into the way. A few years passed by, we weren't really working on much video content, but I kind of wanted to re-upload this video onto the new channel that I'm creating. So thank you very much for watching. Enjoy. Carl's parking is that a 180 or 240?
Yeah, there you go. There you go, buddy.
46.
Like that 5-lug rear or 4-lug.
Here's the Miata project with a, what is it, a Toyota something? 3SGEB. I don't know what it is. Beams?
Yeah, B-E-A-M-S.
Beams. Okay.
Straight from Japan. They always sold in Japan.
Interesting. Cayman Altezas, I guess. Couple engines. Is it just me, or do our car guys like very rarely on time?
Yeah, for the most part.
Yeah. Documenting. How's it going?
Good.
Good. You ready to work on it?
No.
Why not?
I'm afraid.
No, it's fine.
Probably battery.
Sounds great. Yes. Perfect.
Okay. Spritz.
Alright, we're spritzing the downpipe with water so it'll cool down faster.
Hello. You look relaxed. Yeah. What's up? What are you doing down there?
I'm waiting for Sand to get back with some tools.
Hey, Sam.
Thank you.
Sam is so optimistic.
A little too much.
I like your optimism. It's awesome. I need more of it.
I like seeing new cars. They interest me.
Do you have any extension?
Long, short.
Long.
Oh, damn, you got it all out, huh?
Yeah. It's up there.
You need it?
We'll see. Two.
Hello?
I got two of them left.
What do you want? We have 2 of them left.
Thank you.
You need one more?
Got it. Oh fuck. That was really scary. It almost hit me in the face.
What happened?
It almost hit me in the face because I tried to yank it to see if I could loosen it, and it like completely just came off.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hey, that's a good sign, dude.
Yeah, like really easily. The flex pipe is like really flexy, so I don't know if I can let it drop or not.
Well, the top is not even, it's still attached.
Keep going. Okay. Eric's not filming because he's wearing nice clothes, I guess. And Sand's helping. Unprompted.
Oh wow, it's on very tight. Is it because it expanded due to heat?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Brian, you're just not strong enough.
Here you go. Do this.
Hey, he has a better angle.
Yeah.
Will we like slide it off from him? Yeah, I think so. It just goes straight down.
Don't drop that nut, man.
I did it once. Don't worry, we'll find it again.
I have PTSD with stuff like that, man.
Yeah, I know.
You're getting this stupid bolt off. Success! Success!
Not
Yay!
really. Wash your hands.
Almost.
Keep
Don't
the
cut
bar.
yourself.
It was turning.
Yay.
Yep, now it's turning. Keep the bar on.
get it.
Yeah. Hold on.
I kind of get it.
Yeah.
Perfect.
That's my middle name.
And then he grabs a pliers wrench. Yeah.
Teamwork, yeah. Nice job.
Yeah.
Watch your hands out.
Oil vaporization. Yep, that's good. All right.
It's a mixture of what.
Oh, you're not supposed to get next year?
Oh, wait, you do? What? Huh?
I didn't say that. Yes, you can. As long as you don't look at everything past the camera.
So much oil on there. I can smell it.
I'm like great.
It's all working.
Really? Breaking through.
This can be our life now.
Breaker jump.
Yeah, that's right there. We gotta take out, turn off the light.
Alright, reset.
Hey.
Hello.
Hello, Mike.
Hello, like a mom.
There we go.
Quite the spatial constraints are not easy.
How long have you been welding for?
Like 3 years ago.
Okay.
You tapped it.
Yeah, I tried to just like clean it without hurting the face. Because I want to get it flush like this.
Yeah.
But
Alright, we've finished the job. We're going to In and Out and moving cars around. There's the SAAB. I know you can't see it, but it's finished. Thank you very much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you are enjoying this content. I also am including a Patreon link if you'd like to support my blogging and my efforts of getting into racing as deeply as I can. Thanks again. I hope to see you guys out there.